Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, White as Panther, and today I want to talk to you about the approval of JR Simplot's new innate potato, which is genetically modified. And recently JR Simplot, they got the approval of Health Canada and the Canadian Food Inspection Agency in letters dated March 18th that they could sell its genetically modified potatoes, and they're less likely to bruise or turn brown when cut. These new potatoes, approved for consumers or for livestock consumption. And Simplot, they're based in Idaho, and they say that the innate potato has the same nutritional composition of regular potatoes plus reduced asparagine, and asparagine is an amino acid, and when cooked it turns into acrylamide, which is suspected to be a human carcinogen. And potatoes, they naturally produce the chemical when they're cooked at high temperatures above 120 degrees Celsius, 250 degrees Fahrenheit. And this new genetically modified potato, it cuts the acrylamide levels up to 62%, and future generations it'll be raised up to 90% reduction in acrylamide, making it virtually negligible. And Doug Cole, Director of Marketing and Communications for Simplot, says it's a really big deal in the potato world. And the company says it uses biotechnology to remove the browning and bruising traits from a typical potato, but does not use foreign genes. And the potatoes will not have a label indicating they are genetically modified, as that's not a Health Canada requirement, provided they've been deemed safe for consumption. And in the United States, the innate packaging includes a website and QR code for consumers to seek more information. And the United States Department of Agriculture cleared the first generation of the innate potato in 2014, and the Food and Drug Administration following a year later, and it's been sold in the United States since last May under the White Russet brand, and is available in supermarkets and for food service. And the potatoes could be grown in Canada this season and be in stores by the fall. And also Simplot, they're going to be working on a second generation of the innate potato, which will be resistant to blight, and they say they'll cut down on the need to apply pesticides to it in fields to prevent the disease. And it's being approved by the US FDA and the USDA, and is awaiting Environmental Protection Agency approval. And Simplot will submit the Generation 2 potato for Canadian review in the next few months. And the innate potato, it uses RNA interference to silence 4 different proteins in the potato. And RNA interference, it's the same methodology that was used to create the non-browning Arctic apple. And some people say that the RNA manipulation is untested and inherently risky, and recent research has shown that RNA can transfer from plants to humans and other animals through food. And the biotech industry has always claimed that genetically engineered DNA or RNA is destroyed by human digestion, eliminating the danger of these mutant organisms damaging human genes or human health. But many biotech scientists say otherwise, and they point to evidence that the manipulated RNA finds its way into our digestive systems and bloodstreams, and can potentially damage or silence vital human genes. So I don't think there has been enough testing and safety data on these new potatoes, so I would definitely stay away from them. I wouldn't trust them. And as you all may be aware of the Seralini study on the genetically modified corn and the Roundup used on it and how it increased tumors in the rats. And he won another lawsuit, so he won 2 current lawsuits. So I wouldn't trust these new genetically modified potatoes. And just going to try to get more information for you and let you know if I find any studies on it. And in Seralini's study that showed that the genetically modified corn was harmful, he did it for over 2 years, whereas Monsanto, they only did 90 days safety trial, which wasn't long enough. So this could be the same situation all over again with these new genetically modified potatoes. So I definitely wouldn't recommend these genetically modified potatoes or any other genetically modified food. And thanks for watching, everyone. Take care. Bye.